Hi. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of uploading contracts in Lexzur. Users can generate contracts by clicking on the Create button in the main menu, and then selecting the Upload Contract document option. The information required to be filled out here can be referenced from a predefined form. Hence, you'll need to specify your document type from a customizable drop-down list, defining the contract area of practice, such as commercial agreement, non-disclosure agreement, and more. If applicable, specify the subtype, choose the predefined form, and upload your document accordingly. Additionally, there is a default form available that can be utilized in case you haven't created your own form. Once your document is added, you can conveniently set the approval and signature permissions on the fly. Begin by inputting the contact information, including the contract name, parties with their respective categories, requester, date, and other relevant details. The number of variables and pages may vary depending on the type of agreement and its associated form. Now that you've created a new contract successfully, you will be redirected to the contract's dedicated page where you can manage all its associated information and proceed with additional actions. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.